Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to find Alipay TourCard and how you can pin it into Home tab on Alipay. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Alipay app. So having opened up your Alipay app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on more right here. So it's open up like this. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and you have TourCard right here. So what you need to do is to simply click on TourCard. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top. So click on that. It's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on add to home screen. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on add. And at this point here, simply click on back.